Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving your current environment. Make a full image and verify it boots because you will modify partitions. Once done, shrink your primary volume to free 4100 GB or attach an external drive. This creates space for the second OS. Make a bootable USB of the second operating system and download firmware drivers for your laptop model. During these steps, label drives clearly so you don't overwrite the wrong volume, and make sure Secure Boot and BIOS settings are noted before reboot. You now boot the installer and pick the same boot mode, UEFI or Legacy, used by your main OS. Mismatch breaks booting. Choose Manual Partitioning. Create root, optional swap, and an EFI partition if none exists. Be deliberate. Select the target disk for the installer and the bootloader. Put it where your firmware expects. Once installed, reboot into the new OS, install drivers and updates, and then test hardware. Make sure both OSes appear in firmware boot options before moving on. You finish by selecting a default boot order in UEFI or configuring Grub so both systems show up. This makes switching fast. Then test essential features. File access between partitions, Wi-Fi, touchpad, and power management. Ensure sleep and battery work as expected. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Boot a live USB, CRUT, or use a boot repair tool to reinstall the bootloader or restore your backup image. Finally, make a new snapshot or image now that both OSes are stable so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.